Imagine this. You're working on a big project, juggling research, writing, meetings, and trying to keep everything organized. Your notes are in Notion, your drafts are in Google Docs, your brainstorming happens in ChatGPT, and your tasks are scattered across Trello or Slack. Sounds familiar, right? It's messy, distracting, and honestly a productivity killer. Now, imagine if all of that could live in just one AI-powered workspace. That's exactly what GenSpark.ai is promising. And today, we're diving deep into it. Stick around, because this might be the tool that changes the way you work with AI. So, what is GenSpark? In simple terms, GenSpark is an all-in-one AI workspace designed to bring together the power of AI search, chat, document creation, and team collaboration into a single platform. Instead of bouncing between 5 different apps, GenSpark positions itself as your AI command center. Think of it like ChatGPT meets Notion meets Google Docs, but smarter, cleaner, and built for the way we actually work today. Let's talk about the features. First up, the Smart AI Search. We all know how frustrating it is to wade through endless Google results, ads, and unrelated content. GenSpark changes that. You ask a question, and it gives you curated, AI-driven answers in a clean format. No fluff, no noise. Just what you need, right when you need it. Next, the workspace and document features. Imagine starting with a rough idea and turning it into a fully polished document, all inside GenSpark. You can brainstorm, draft, edit, and refine with AI help, and everything stays neatly organized in one place. No more copying content from one app to another. Then there's collaboration. This is a big one. GenSpark lets you invite teammates, clients, or classmates to join your workspace. You can all work together in real time, while AI helps keep the workflow moving. Think of it as Google Docs on steroids, powered by AI that actually understands the context of what you're working on. But one of the most exciting aspects is what they call contextual intelligence. Basically, the AI remembers your past work. So instead of starting from scratch every time you log in, GenSpark adapts to your style, your projects, and your needs. It's like having a personal assistant who knows how you think and work. Now, why does this matter? Here's the truth. AI tools are everywhere. But with so many apps, our workflow has become more fragmented than ever. You've got ChatGPT for ideation, Notion for notes, Google Docs for writing, Slack for communication, and Trello for tasks. It's powerful, but messy. GenSpark is aiming to eliminate that chaos by giving you a single hub for everything AI-powered. And honestly, if they get it right, it could be a total game changer. And here's something I find fascinating. As AI tools grow, most people are starting to feel overwhelmed. It's not just about using AI, it's about managing AI. And that's where GenSpark's vision is clever. They're not trying to be just another chatbot or another notes app. They're trying to become the AI backbone of your workflow. That's a bold goal, but it's one worth watching. When you head over to GenSpark.ai, the first thing you'll notice is how easy it is to get started. You don't have to go through a complicated sign-up process. With just a single click, you can log in using your Google account. That's it. No long forms or extra steps. In a few seconds, you're inside. Once you're signed up, you'll land on the GenSpark Super Agent dashboard. This is your main workspace, and it's designed to feel both simple and powerful. Right in the center, you'll see a big command box that says, "Ask anything, create anything." This is where the magic happens. You can type requests, questions, or even entire project briefs, and GenSpark will handle it for you. Below the command bar, you'll find a whole set of AI-powered tools, each specialized for different types of work. There's AI slides for building presentations, AI sheets for spreadsheets, AI docs for documents, and AI developer if you need coding help. You'll also see tools like AI designer, AI image, and AI video for creative projects, plus things like AI meeting notes that automatically organize and summarize calls. In short, it's like having an entire AI office suite at your fingertips. Now let's try out an example to see how it actually works. In the command box, I typed, "Create a 12-slide pitch deck for an AI education startup." Immediately, GenSpark started gathering relevant information, structuring the content, and designing the slides. Within moments, it created a professional pitch deck for me. On the right-hand side of the dashboard, you'll notice the slides canvas. This is where you can preview the slides that GenSpark has generated. Instead of giving you a blank template, it actually delivers a full draft, complete with market research, slide structure, and design. GenSpark immediately begins working in the background. You can see the system automatically initializing the process, gathering information, and preparing a professional design. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the task being tracked under the label AI Education Startup Pitch Deck. This shows that the file is actively being created for you. What's impressive is that GenSpark isn't just generating random slides. It's actually structuring the content, pulling in relevant market research, and preparing visual assets that fit your request. On the right-hand side, you have the slides preview panel. At this stage, it says waiting for generation, which means the AI is putting together each slide. The beauty of this process is how hands-off it is. Instead of spending hours researching, writing, and designing a pitch deck, you can simply describe what you need in one sentence. And within a few moments, GenSpark delivers a professional, ready-to-use presentation. So, final thoughts. In a world where AI apps are popping up daily, GenSpark feels refreshing. It doesn't overwhelm you with complexity. And it doesn't just give you one feature. It ties everything together in a way that makes sense. For people who want to work smarter, faster, and more organized, GenSpark could be a tool that genuinely saves you hours every week. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you see yourself replacing your current workflow with something like GenSpark? Or do you prefer keeping different tools for different tasks? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to AI LedgerX for more deep dives into the latest AI tools, and share this with a friend who's just as obsessed with AI as we are. Until next time, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.